In this video, we're automating Wikipedia research end-to-end. Search topics, extract data, summarize with AI, and populate Google Sheets, all without manual work. Perfect for competitive analysis, historical research, content creation, or any project requiring fast topic summaries. Let's head to the template library to find this agent. Searching for the Wikipedia research automation. One click deploys the entire workflow to your account. Here's the workflow editor showing all 13 steps. I'll walk through how each one contributes to the complete research pipeline. The AI assistant is here to answer questions about your workflow anytime. Ask anything about configuration, outputs, or how to adjust specific steps. Discover how to automate niche research using Wikipedia and AI, with built-in documentation notes guiding you through setup. This manual trigger node starts the workflow when you click Run, allowing you to begin the niche research automation on demand rather than on a schedule. This node sets the research topic to Nathan and removes all previous input fields, ensuring only the topic variable flows to the next processing steps. This node queries Wikipedia's API to search for articles matching your research topic, returning relevant results that feed into your AI analysis pipeline. This node executes custom JavaScript to extract the topic from the previous step and parse the Wikipedia search results, then constructs the page URL needed for the next API request. This node scrapes the Wikipedia article content from the URL passed down from the previous step, extracting the full text to feed into your AI agent for analysis. This node extracts the history section from the Wikipedia scraper output using JavaScript, parsing the structured article data to isolate historical content for downstream processing. This node uses GPT-4o Mini to generate a structured historical summary from the research data, returning a formatted JSON object containing the topic, Wikipedia page details, and raw historical content for downstream processing. This node parses the OpenAI response and reformats it into structured data compatible with Google Sheets, handling the JSON schema output directly from the AI agent. This node appends the extracted research data, including the topic, search query, Wikipedia page title, URL, and cleaned history, directly to your Google Sheet, creating a permanent record of each research result as it's processed. With over 1,000 integrations available, you could post summaries to Slack, sync findings to Notion, email reports automatically, or connect to your CRM. That's the complete setup. Give it a try whenever you're ready.